In this video, I am going to do this tool review of Pictory. Pictory is a generative AI tool which lets you create videos for your social media. Pictory not only helps you in creating short and crisp videos, but also you can generate more leads, boost sales by turning any content into highly shareable videos using the power of AI because it is fast, scalable, and according to Pictory, it's affordable. But we will see it shortly in the pricing. Now, who can use Pictory? So, if you click on this drop down on their website, it shows that YouTubers, marketers, social media managers, bloggers, coaches, and even the Vietnamese users, they can use it easily. So there are various use cases which I could think of. For example, you can just convert all of your boring text data into short videos quickly, and then just bring another life to it. You can also, for example, if you have been writing blogs for the last decade or two, you simply can turn your blog post into captivating videos, which of course both your readers and search engine they love the multimedia content. Also, if you use any chat applications like Microsoft Teams, Zoom, or if you have any podcast, you can extract the highlights or the subtitles from that video and then convert it into short branded video snippets, ideal for posting on social media. Also, according to a study, more than 85% of social media videos are watched on mute. So that is where Pictory also helps. It simply adds captions, which increases the view time 12%. And there are a lot of other use cases which you can read on their website, and they already have partnered with a lot of big names such as Google, Amazon, Getty Images, and the list goes on and on and on. One of the best thing which I like about Pictory is that if you want to try it out, you don't have to put in your credit card. No one wants to do that, and that is really a message for other tool creators too, because I see lot and lot of tools which first ask you to enter your credit card detail and then you can try it out. Not gonna happen. Anyway, Pictory doesn't do that, which is great. I already have created my free account with Pictory, so let's see how it works. So this is what you get when you log in. First, let's click on script to video, and it is asking you, Pictory converts your text into professional video. What would you like to start with? You can either point it to your own article or you can enter a script. Let's click on script here, and then it says create your video from script. It is showing you a tutorial, and then it says that input your script, get a video, add visuals. You can use your own stock images, AI voiceovers, apply styles, and lot of things you can do. You can even change your aspect ratios, which is great. And you can create your own template. If you have a brand, you just want to stick with one template, you can do it. So you can either take a tour or just close it. Let's close. And now we can just start here. And I like this, walkthrough. It really makes it easy to navigate this site. And then we can either do script to video, article to video. You can edit video using text, or you can convert your visuals to video, which is great. Let's proceed with script to video. Another cool thing, if you notice, is that below every option they are giving the use case. So for example, the one which we are going to use is recommended for coaching videos and short tutorials. Okay, so let's proceed. Now here you can just add your title and your text. So let me just get I'll just say title is what is LLM fine tuning, and then I'm just going to paste this text here, which is just a definition of fine tuning method, which is a supervised learning process. And then at the bottom you can see that you can spell check it. It is telling you how many characters are there, and then you can also highlight to find to for AI to find better visuals. And then here you can also create new scenes on both, or you know sentence breaks or line breaks, but I'm not going to use that. Let's click on proceed from here at the top. Let's see how long does it take. So it is preparing the storyboard, and then also showing you the progress, and speed is very good, very impressed by it. And at the top left you can see that I have 3 videos left as part of my free plan, still quite generous. Okay, so I'm, and it is just an ad it seems. And there are also watermarks, but that is fine, we can ignore them because I think this is just for the um, trial maybe. But if you download it they won't be there, which is good, really like it. You can, on the top right, you can either download it or you can preview it, and there is also a scene here as you can see. So let's preview it. Really good stuff, I would say. So it has just picked out any visual and it has given you this great video, and look at the quality and the relevance of the image. And of course you can change it into portrait simply like this, or maybe this is for the YouTube shorts, or you could go with the scare, whatever your preference is. And then on the left hand side there is a menu where you can go with the story visuals. If you click on visual, there are a lot of visuals which you can change for your videos. I'm not sure about the copyrights, if they are free or how this thing works, but, and then this is the audio, which sort of audio do you want to use. And then text and styles and all that stuff. And then these are the emojis, so all the usual bells and whistles of a text editor, and which you can include in your um, video. So there is also a branding, you can create your own brand of your company and then start using it. And this is what we just saw earlier, which is at the top middle of the video. So pretty good, really impressed by the tool. And another thing is that you can create a team, your team, whole team can collaborate on it, and then you can just create projects and start working in it. That's it guys, let me know your thoughts. I will also drop the link to the website in video's description so that you can try it out too. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. And if you're already subscribed, then please share it among your network, because it always helps to have more subscribers. There will be more reach to the people, and that will help all of us. So I would highly appreciate if you share it among your network. Thanks for watching.